theme of this year's Golu is Dashavatar. There are 10 different avatars of Lord Vishnu. The first avatar is Matsya, which is fish. Once Satyavradan found a fish in his hands when he was taking bath. Fish requested him to take it with him. So he put the fish in a pot. The fish grew bigger than the pot. Then he dropped it in the river. It grew bigger than the river. At last he dropped it in the ocean. The fish told Satyavradan that it is Vishnu himself as fish and requested Satyavradan to gather all animals and plants and put them together in a boat to save them from a massive cyclone. Satyavradan did as Vishnu told him to. The fish swam across the ocean and saved them. Matsya avatar is Lord Vishnu's incarnation as fish. The second avatar is Kurma, which is Lord Vishnu's incarnation as tortoise and amphibian. Once Devendra's elephant stamps the garland offered by a rishi to Devendra. Rishi cursed Devendra and told that he will get rid of the spill if he brings Amritam from Mandara mountain using Vasuki snake. So Devas and Asuras were thrown in the ocean of milk. The mountain started to sink and Vishnu took the form of tortoise to bear the weight of the mountain. This is Lord Vishnu himself as a tortoise and amphibian, Kurma avatar. The third avatar is Varaha avatar. The story goes that once Vishnu and Brahma had a fight for the supremacy. So they came to Lord Shiva to ask who is the supreme of them both. Lord Shiva told that a person who sees the starting and ending of Lord Shiva is the supreme power. So Lord Vishnu took a form of a wild boar and went in search of Lord Shiva's ending by digging the land deeper and deeper. But he couldn't find Lord Shiva's feet. Instead, he took the whole earth in his tusk. This is Lord Vishnu's incarnation as a wild boar, the third avatar, Varaha. The fourth avatar is Narasimha. Hiranyakashipu was granted a boon from Brahma, not allowing him to be killed by man or animal, inside or outside, day or night, or with a weapon. He troubled his son Prahladan, who followed Vishnu. Vishnu took avatar of a body of a man and head and claws of lion, and he spattered a pillar and came in between from it. And the Narasimha killed Hiranyakashipu in courtyard threshold of his house at dusk and with his claws while he lay on his thighs. This is fourth avatar, half animal and half man, Lord Vishnu as Narasimha. The fifth avatar is Vamana, the dwarf. Mahabali Vishwajit, with devotion and penance, was able to defeat Indra. Gods appealed to Vishnu for protection, and he descended as dwarf Vamana, approached Mahabali and asked Mahabali for 3 pieces of land. Mahabali promised to give whatever he asked for. Then the dwarf changed his size, that of a giant. He stepped over heaven for his first feet, then netherworld with second. Then Bali realized it's Vishnu, so he offered his head as third place for Vamana to place his head. This is Lord Vishnu as Vamana, the dwarf. This is his fifth avatar. Parashurama, a man, a warrior with axe. This is sixth avatar of Lord Vishnu. Parashurama is son of Jamadagni Muni and Renuka Devi. Renuka makes pot with mud every day for puja. Once she was distracted by a Gandharvan, and she couldn't make the pot. So Jamadagni Muni got angry and told his son Parashurama to cut her head. And so he did. Then he appreciated Parashurama for his respect towards his father and told Parashurama to ask for a wish. Parashurama asked his mother back. This is Lord Vishnu's sixth avatar as Parashurama. The next avatar is Rama. Lord Vishnu took an avatar as a king. Rama, who was born for Dasharatha and Koshala. Rama was in Mithila. He married Sita by breaking a Shivadhanushu. Kaigeyi sent Rama to the forest. Rama went to the forest with Sita. Dasharatha was dead. Bharatan visited Rama, tells Rama to rule the country. Rama objected. So Bharatan took Rama's Padugai. Ravana took Sita with him. Rama gets the help of Hanuman and went on a battle with Ravana. Rama won and went to Ayodhya with Sita and had Pattabhishekam. He is the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu. He is the 8th son of Devaki and Vasudeva. Krishna was living in Yashoda's house in Gokulam. He eats butter from his neighbors. He was living along with his brother Balarama, son of Rohini. Krishna killed Kamsa. This is Lord Vishnu as Krishna in 8th avatar. The 9th avatar is Buddha. Buddha is generally included as an avatar of Vishnu in Hinduism. Buddha may be depicted in Hindu cultures as a preacher who indulges demon and heretics away from the path of Vedic sculptures. Kalki is the 10th avatar of Lord Vishnu. He is yet to take this avatar to bring Dharma back to the land in Kali Yuga. This is Lord Vishnu himself as a warrior in a horse with a sword. These are the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu which are often related to evolutionary interpretation.